Hey everyone, welcome to another Information Hub video. Ready to dive into DeepSeek R1 and run it locally on your machine? Don't worry, it's much easier than you think. I'm here to walk you completely through it. Let's get started. I'm Sarah, and today we'll be talking about how to run DeepSeek R1 locally. First up, make sure you've got the basics covered. Running DeepSeek R1 locally requires a couple of things: Python version 3.8 or above, Git, and, of course, Docker. You'll also want to ensure you have at least 8 GB of RAM on your machine for smooth sailing. Got all that? Great. Now let's clone the DeepSeek R1 repository. Open up your terminal. Type this command: git clone https github.com deepseek r1 deepseek git. Once the repository's downloaded, navigate into the project folder like this: cd deepseek. Easy, right? We need to install the dependencies. But don't worry, we're using Docker to manage everything, and that means fewer headaches. If you haven't installed Docker yet, head to docker.com, download, and follow the installation guide for your system. Let's build and run our Docker container. This is where the magic happens. Type docker compose up build. This command pulls all the services and builds the container environment for DeepSeek. Grab yourself a coffee if this takes a minute. These containers work hard. Once the build's complete, open your browser and go to http:// localhost 8000. This is your local DeepSeek R1 dashboard. Boom, that's it. You've got DeepSeek R1 running locally. From here, you can upload data, analyze samples, and customize workflows based on your specific needs. Just don't forget to shut down the container when you're done using it. Type docker compose down in your terminal. One last tip: check the documentation in the GitHub repo if you ever get stuck. It's loaded with extra details and common troubleshooting steps. See? Not so hard after all. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner, DeepSeek R1 is powerful and user-friendly. Thanks for following along, and happy analyzing. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this. Not so hard after all. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner, DeepSeek R1 is powerful and user-friendly. Thanks for following along, and happy analyzing. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this.